चतुर्थः पाठः चल चल पुरतो निदेहि चरणं पार्ट 2 पथिपाषाणाः विषमाः प्रखराः हिंस्राः पशवः परितो घोराः सुदुष्करं खलु यद्यपि गमनं सदैव पुरतो निदेहि चरणं. Let us read once again. पथिपाषाणाः विषमाः प्रखराः हिंस्राः पशवः परितो घोराः सुदुष्करं खलु यद्यपि गमनं सदैव पुरतो निधेहि चरणं. Here poet says that there will be many rocks and sharp stones in your way. That means there will be, when you are trying to achieve some goals, there will be many obstacles, hardships will be there in your way. Even though you will continue to go ahead, you are not supposed to be scared of those obstacles, and you are not supposed to stop. You must go ahead. You will find four more dangerous and violent animals. It is difficult to go to the top of your house, that is mountain top. Still you keep going on forever. That means even though you have to face many obstacles, you need to move forward without hesitation, without fear. Then only you can achieve your goal successfully. Let us move into last stanza. Jahihi bhitim bhaj bhaj shaktim videhi rashtre tathanuraktim kuru kuru satatam dhyeya smaranam sadaiva purato nidhehi charanam. Once again. Jahihi bhitim bhaj bhaj shaktim videhi rashtre tathanuraktim kuru kuru satatam dhyeya smaranam sadaiva purato nidehi charanam. So here poet says that, oh man, you should give up your fear and work with power. You must love your country a lot, and you should continue to move your steps to achieve your goal. So when we avoid our fear and hesitation and work with power and dedication, same time if we show our respect towards nation, then we will be successful, and happily we can achieve our goal. There is no doubt in success. Let us learn word meanings. Pathi, marg mein, on the way. Pashanaha, pattar, stone. Vishamaha, kathin, difficult. Prakharaha, nukhile, sharp. Hinsraha, hinsak, cruel. Paritaha, charon or, around. Ghoraha, bhayanak, dangerous. Sudushkaram, atyadik katinai, is very tough. Vinaiva, vina, without. Nagarohanam, parvat par chadna, climbing the mountain. Swakiyam, apna, own. Balam, shakti, strength. Khalu, nischay se, indeed. Gamanam, gaman, go. Jahihi, chhod do, leave. Bhiti, डर को, fear. भज, भजा, जपो, do और pray. विधेहि, करो, do. ध्येय, लक्ष्य, goal. Thank you.